Hey everyone, welcome back to the EduCollab channel. Today's video is a continuation of the previous video. So, if you haven't checked that out, there's a link in the description below. The topic that we are taking up today is addition and subtraction of fractions. Let's say that we have two fractions, 5/8 and 3/8. These fractions have common denominators, or the same denominators, so they're called like fractions. Going back to 5/8 and 3/8, let's say that we have a pie with 5 out of the 8 pieces that I cut, and my friend came and took 3 pieces from me. That would mean we would have to subtract 3/8 from 5/8, or in simpler terms, 5/8 minus 3/8, and the answer to that would be that I am left with 2 out of the 8 pieces of the pie. To solve this, you just have to subtract the numerators. In this case, 5 minus 3. It depends on the operation that you have to use. In this case, the denominators are the same, so the denominators stay the same in the answer as well. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and as I said before, the denominator stays the same, so 2 out of 8. Moving on, let's say that we have 1/2 and 1/4. These fractions have different denominators, therefore they are called unlike fractions. These fractions cannot be added without finding out the LCM, which will be explained in the next video. Now, we have 13 out of 20 blocks in a kit. Since 20 out of 20 is one whole, then 20 out of 20 minus 13 out of 20 would be 7 out of 20. Again, in this case, I subtracted the numerators and the denominator stayed the same because the denominator is the same in the question. So 20 minus 13 gives us a 7, and 7 out of 20 is the number of blocks that are missing. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you next time!